go one more, now we have space, let's go rápido.
Cuidado, cuidado. Chicos.
Let's go.
Okay, careful. Careful. So, Brad, what's going on today?
Today, you guys, is one of my favorite days in Barcelona because it is Sant Jordi, which is like a tradition here in Catalunya. And they give each other like flowers, they give each other books, which is really cool. And the whole city they go all out. It's even more than Valentine's, like they really go crazy here. Yeah, this is our first one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab somebody like these guys maybe. Hey guys, perdón. Sacando fotos de gente desconocida para Sant Jordi.
Ah, vale.
Entonces, si queréis un record juntos, sí. Entonces, dame de So, ok, vale, vamos a probar aquí. El video está aquí. Está loco, ¿no? Hay un montón de gente. Es impresionante. Sí.
A ver, ¿cómo nos ponemos?
Ok, wait. Ok, sí me gusta. Entonces, juntos, aquí, sí. Ajá, dar una vuelta. No. A mí, tipo cerquita, súper romántico, sí. Y los flores también. Así, sí. Nice guys. Okay, stay there, perfect. Okay, awesome. Yes, can you do this? Stay like this. Do you guys speak English? I do. Okay, perfect. Just for the channel, yeah. So can you guys, mirando los ojos, ¿qué has hecho antes? Así, un besito. Así. Okay, awesome. Nice. Okay, y quiero probar una más con los brazos. Aquí. Vale. Sí. Okay, perfecto. Yes, super nice. Aguanta ahí. Nice name, awesome. Okay guys, y probamos una más. Yes guys, perfect. Yes, I like that. Damn, you guys beat us. Super nice.
Ay, qué guay.
Estos super chulos.
Wow, perfecto, me encanta. Muchas gracias.
Sí, esto me encanta también.
Sí.
Super chulo.
Está super chulo. super chulo. Okay guys, so si quieres, let's try it. Podemos probar una más. Sí.
Ah, sí,
aquí.
claro.
Okay, yes, again together. Okay, nice guys, perfect. Yes. Yes, change again. Perfect. And let's get some. Stay like that. Aguanta ahí. Nice guys, una más.
This one's super cool.
Muy bien, Merci, okay. Muchas gracias. Vale guys.
Muchas gracias.
Chao. Thank you.
Buenas tardes.
Entonces, ¿estáis probando juntos? ¿Aquí? ¿Quieres probar juntos? Sí. Muy bien, con las flores y...
Sí.
G, come over here. Because there's no traffic. No hay, ¿no?
What?
Bueno, hay un
No hay
poco de
coches.
tráfico, sí.
Pero a little bit.
Vale, ok, vamos. Ok,
Vale,
si quieres
te puesto
ir
aquí.
lejos, sí. Lejos.
Lejos.
Bueno, en medio, sí.
¿Medio?
Sí. Y esperamos. Yeah. Okay, yeah, together. Together, nice. Okay, stay there. And vamos a probar ahora. Let's try this way. We'll wait for these.
I can
you
watch it.
check?
Yes.
Sí.
No problem.
Oh, beautiful.
Sí, but I'm gonna try these.
¿Probamos desde allí?
Sí,
Ah, vale.
Sí.
¿Cuál es el canal?
se llama WhosYourBrad. En
Who's?
español es ¿quién es tu Brad?
Tu gran.
No, tu Brad. ¿Sabes el dicho who's your daddy?
Ah, sí, yes.
Sí, pero como who's your Brad.
Brad. ¿De
Okay.
Brad Pitt?
Sí, ajá.
Sí.
Yes.
Yes, guys, okay. Okay. Perfect, stay like that. Awesome. Okay, aguanta. Me miras. Okay, aguanta ahí. Oh, I love these. Yes, we just want to be. You kissing, you looking. Okay, awesome. Okay, and let's try one more. Now we have space. Let's go rápido.
Yeah, we are.
Chico. Let's go.
Okay, careful. Go. Damn, guys, that was
Go put this
crazy.
one on YouTube.
That was super
Look,
crazy.
guys, these are amazing, right?
Ay. Ay, qué bonita.
This one, I love this one.
Ay.
This.
Oh, yes.
Awesome.
And if so when cuando salga el vídeo,
Uh-huh.
I can text you
See.
and send me the photo.
Yeah, for sure. Take a picture of this.
Sí, okay. Sí, muchas gracias.
Okay, guys. Sí, perfecto. Muchas gracias. Vale, guys.
Thank
Buen día.
you.
Feliz Sant Jordi.
Tus cosas, ¿sí?
Okay, ciao, bye.
A ton of flowers.
Tienes flores o un libro. Entonces, si os gustaría una foto y también de las cámaras.
Ah, ¿las puedes mandar?
Okay, guys, ahora mirando. Así. Sí. Sí, guys, aquí. So, entonces tenemos una tienda de masajes atrás. Aquí. Sí, mejor.
Aquí, no sé qué. Vale, aquí.
Aquí, sí.
Where are you guys from?
New Zealand, Canada. And you guys?
Spain.
You're from Barcelona?
I'm from Valencia.
Valencia, cool. And you say?
No, I'm from Barcelona.
Okay, cool. Be natural but slow. Talk to each other, kiss, and I'll just take a few pictures.
Okay, so wait.
Yep. And then after we can do some different.
Okay.
Okay? Yes, that's the one. Stay like that, guys. Perfect.
I think that's it. We are not very good at it.
No, you're doing good. And actually, let's go looking at each other.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
It seems like we are paying for this. So.
Yeah. Yeah, get closer. Nice, get closer. Yes, that's a perfect one. Stay like that. Okay, aguanta ahí. One more.
I'm not very photogenic, I have to say.
Me neither.
And can we have this photo?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
This one ain't in the egg.
Hostia.
But these are cool. And these are cool too.
I like that one. Yeah.
Sí. Bueno chicos,
Vamos a seguir dando paseo.
sí, que tengas un buen día.
Igualmente.
Feliz Sant Jordi y nos vemos en línea.
Muy bien. Chao.
Adiós.
Habrá poco de...
Sí, guys, perdón. Estoy grabando un video, sacando fotos a gente desconocida, pero para Sant Jordi es para, bueno, en pareja. Si os gustaría una foto.
¿Pero qué tenemos que hacer?
Bueno, solo como un retrato.
cero fotogénica, pero...
Sí. Okay, so creo que aquí. Okay, awesome. Nice, one more. Corta ahí. Okay guys, and puedes probar con el brazo ahí, around. And can you guys put the mask away? Oh, yeah. Okay, yes, there like that, perfect. Guys, and can we do this part over here? Yeah. That's a cool one.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Perfect. Yeah.
Don't forget your code.
Thank you. Feliz Sant Jordi to you too.
Okay, I got you both down. Hey guys, good on? English, Spanish, whichever one you want. Whatever, okay, perfect. So we're shooting a video for YouTube, taking photos of strangers, but today I'm doing couples.
Okay.
Yeah, so since you guys are looking like lovey-dovey anyway, if you guys want I can take a picture and I can send it to you
Yeah,
later
yeah,
as well.
sure.
So, what's it for? For
A YouTube channel.
YouTube.
Yeah, it's called Who's Your Brad. We'll give you the
Are you
stuff
really
after.
I'm from Australia.
I knew I heard that. I'm from New Zealand.
Ah, okay, cool.
But I used to
I've lived here for a very long time.
Ah, okay, I just heard that. I was like, oh, okay. And where are you from?
From Barcelona.
You're from Barcelona. Okay, cool. Okay, let's try one more as well. Can you have your back to the wall?
Yeah.
So you're gonna have...
The back here?
No, your back.
Ah, my
So
back.
you're gonna have your back to the wall.
Okay.
And you're gonna come in like quite close. Maybe put the arm around as well if you can. Yes? Perfect. Okay, 1, 2, 3, aguanta. Perfecto. And now looking at each other, guys. Yes, awesome. Nice stay there. Okay, now looking at me again.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
Ah, they're
that's
really
really nice.
It's cool.
Yeah. Very cool. Wow, you do great pictures.
Guys,
Okay,
well,
nice
oh,
to
your
meet you.
coat.
Oh, yeah, your jacket.
We could have like a collection of coats here. Don't.
Okay. thank
Okay,
you so
guys,
much.
encantado, buen día.
Ciao.
Ciao. Smashing it out, G, smashing it out. Hey guys, good morning. It's like you were a couple. Amigos. Yes. Okay, because I'm doing a video for a YouTube channel, taking photos of strangers, but like all couples today. But I can do a photo of you guys as well if you like. Sí, para eso, pero hoy sí, hoy para acá, ¿vale? Vale. Okay, so but holding these, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. Nice, Celia, perfect. Okay, yes. Aguanta ahí. Nada más, aguanta ahí. Me encanta. Awesome. Okay, ciao guys.
Yeah.
So guys, we actually tried some earlier here in the street. So if you want to do that with the rose as well, yeah. He's not going to steal anything.
No, we can put this.
Okay, so yeah, let's wait for this motorbike. Okay, awesome. Perfect, yep, stay. Can you guys stay closer together? Awesome, nice. Yes, I love it like that. Smiling. Guys, can you try one more? Can you put your arms behind her around you like this? Yes, yes, yes. Stay like this. Nice, yes, perfect. Show me the road, show me the road. Yes, me encanta. Nice guys, awesome, smiling. And one more closer. It's a cool one.
This one as well.
And this one. Well, they're all good.
Yes.
Okay, so have a good Sant Jordi.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. That's the next one down.